Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will unbox Samsung Evo Plus microSD card. It has read speed of up to 100 Mbps and write speed of up to 60 Mbps. The one that I have has a capacity of 128 GB and I have bought it for my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. We will see how to insert it into the microSD card slot of your mobile phone and also how to insert it into the Digicam using the SD adapter provided with the card. Later on, we will give you information about the size, capacity and speed of SD cards available, and we will also learn about the meaning of various symbols displayed on SD cards. So keep watching till the end. The microSD card that I have today is Samsung Evo Plus with SD adapter. Using this adapter, the microSD card can also be used on the cameras supporting SD card size. It is compatible with smartphones, camera, action cam and drones. This card also supports 4K recording. There are various symbols present on the card which are described in the later part of the video. This card is waterproof, magnet proof, temperature proof and also X-ray proof. It comes with a limited warranty of 10 years. Its MRP is Rs 3,999 for 128 GB variant, but I have bought it only for Rs 1,319 via Amazon. Now let me cut the packet and have a look at the card and the SD adapter provided with the card. This is the Samsung Evo Plus 128 GB card and adapter. The adapter is made in China. This is the front side of the adapter. The adapter has a button provided to lock it. This is the microSD card with the symbol U3 printed over it. Now let us see how to insert this microSD card into your phone. Pull out the SIM tray using the SIM ejector tool. At the front, where SD card is written or the symbol is shown, simply put the microSD card on the slot provided in the tray. Then insert the tray into your phone and close it. Let us see how much is the available capacity of this microSD card. Out of 128 GB, 119 GB is available. In the camera app, the phone asks for changing the storage location to SD card. To make this microSD card compatible with the digital cameras, simply put this microSD card into the SD adapter provided with the card and then you can use it with the digital cameras. Here I have a Sony digital camera. Now let us compare the size of this SD adapter with the memory card that came with the digital camera itself. These two are exactly same in size and look. One is in the white color and another one is in the black color. The lock button is provided at the same location in both the cards. Now I will insert the microSD card and the adapter into the slot provided with the digital camera. Now I will tell you some details about the SD cards. SD typically stands for Secure Digital. The standard was introduced in 1999 by joint efforts between SanDisk, Panasonic and Toshiba. SD cards are mainly classified in three categories based on their size, their capacity and their speed. First we will talk about the size. SD cards are made in three sizes: original SD card, mini SD card and micro SD card. Out of these three, since 2008, mini SD cards are no longer produced due to market domination of the even smaller micro SD cards. Now let's see the classification based on their capacity. There are four types of cards. Number one is SDSC, which means standard capacity. SDHC means high capacity. SDXC means extended capacity and SDUC means ultra capacity. Since the microSD card that I have is of 128 GB, so it falls under the category of SDXC card. Now let's talk about the speed. Speed of SD cards is defined in terms of bus speed and class. Bus speed has different categories as shown in this picture. The Samsung microSD card that I have falls under UHS 1 with speeds of 100 Mbps and 60 Mbps, and thus Roman I is displayed on this card. This can also be seen here. The speed of the SD card can also be defined in terms of class, which are original speed class. Speed class ratings 2, 4 and 6 means that the card supports the respective number of megabytes per second as a minimum write speed. Class 10 typically means that the card supports 10 megabytes per second as a minimum write speed. The graphical symbol for the speed class has a number encircled with C, as in C2, C4, C6 and C10. Now we have ultra high speed class. Ultra high speed class can have two possible grades. One is class 1 for minimum write performance of at least 10 Mbps and class 3 for minimum write performance of 30 Mbps. This is represented by U3 symbol featuring 3 inside U. Class 3 is targeted at recording 4K videos. The Samsung microSD card that I have is of UHS class 3 that supports 4K recording, thus U3 symbol is present on this card. Now next is video speed class. Video speed class supports progressively 4K and 8K video with minimum sequential writing speeds of 60 to 90 Mbps. The graphical symbol used is V followed by a number designating writing speed. For example, V6, V10, V30, V60 and V90. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please share with your friends and family. Bye bye.